In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete temporary files that are contained on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to search for temporary. Best result, you go back with delete temporary files. Go ahead and open that up. And then select temporary files over here on the right panel, and then select the items you want to remove over here on the right. They all should be safe to be removed. And then select remove files to confirm at the top. Select continue to continue with that process, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.